4, 3, 2, 1, action!
We are here today to spy on Suzanne's brother.
The point of a funny action is so you don't laugh. What are you doing? What is that?
I can't roll over. Just pretend I did. I think my sunglasses are in my hand. I have to redo myself.
Oh yeah, by the way, this is spy video part 1.
I just knocked on the door. I'm so scared. I'm scared. Let's go.
What are you doing? Do James Bond.
Okay.
James Bond.
Flip, turn, hit.
Now the other thing, we're gonna bust this joint.
Bust it down.
What?
By turning the handle.
Wait, where'd the sunglasses go?
Oh. They can't know my secret identity.
Nice butt. You bent down, I saw it. Wait, hold on. I got an itch. Okay, one. 1, 2, 3. We're busting this joint.
What are you guys doing? I'm a secret spy. And James Bond is don't get too close. Yeah!
Hey, I'm the camera person. Yes. We're gonna get kicked out. We have to stop. Go back into room. Eden. Thank you for watching.
Spy? And we spied on Suzanne's brother and his friend. Part 1.